flight involves more communication. So before, just a few noises between each of them, and they knew they were just staying with the flock, popping up onto shoulders and hands. This time I'm going to sprint in this direction, and you should hear more noise, and you'll see more of a frantic, panicked flight. I don't think they were stressing them by doing this or anything like that. And basically, everything that they do day to day in the wild happens on a regular basis, so they will be constantly avoiding danger, constantly in a flock, sometimes found on their own. So this is not going to stress them to run away from them, it's just the appropriate noises and action to take for what I'm about to do. We've got to get rid of this one first though, he's so comfortable sitting up here. This is, I know what's coming next, I don't want to do any hard work. A few little noises there, this one here is checking to see what's going on. Because I'm not doing anything further, he's gone back to playing with the grass. I'm just going to run, I'm not going to say anything because I don't want to cue something. You should hear noises and see a fast flight from them. I've got to be fast too. These guys can fly at about 25 miles an hour, so that's like a track runner. And they've got a fast burst of energy as well, so parrots obviously a flight creature. And when they want to take off, they've got fast flights. They get off the ground and into the air very, very quickly. A race against these and a huge eagle, these guys would be miles away before the eagles even got off the floor and started to chase them. Okay, so panic over. There we go, they're all back down again. You can give them a little clap if you want.
Can I come?
Shit is going down, there's going to be a mass scrap. Dave's gang and Pete's gang, they're having it.
Shit.
Like, look, he's so hard, he's out in front, he's like, I'm going to take them all on my own. Come on, you lousy geese. He's like, oh, dodged you.
They're all just going to swim together.
So.
This is like the ending of the last Twilight book / film, where it looks like there's going to be a huge fight, and then they just end up just going off together.
We'll just go wandering.
Yeah, it's all right. We won't fight. This is Breaking Dawn. This is the ending of Breaking Dawn right here. We've seen it for ourselves. So it's been a while again since I talked to my camera, talked to you guys. Say hello to the camera. This is Pokey. Sweet little kitty, aren't you? Say hello to everyone. Okay, you can go then. She's probably gonna bug me for the rest of the time now. I am not gonna go to Reading Festival for the entire weekend. I've realised that it's a bit of a silly idea. With previous years it's been alright because bands I've really liked have played the Saturday or Sunday, so it was worth the wait. It was worth to go the whole weekend to see them. But this time round I've only got really one band that I really like, and they are playing the Friday. Unit 6 are playing the Friday. So therefore I have decided that I am going to go to Reading Festival just for the Friday, and I did think about selling my weekend ticket and trying to find a way to buy a day ticket, but I just decided I can't be bothered, you know, with the likeliness of being scammed and stuff like that as well, and the unlikeliness of getting a day ticket, let's be real. I'm just gonna use my weekend ticket to go in on the Friday and then go home Friday night. I'm not even gonna camp. So yeah, that's kind of made me feel a lot better about the prospect of going to a festival on my own and just loitering about all weekend. If I was with a group of people who I knew well and got on with, then it would have been fine. We'd have just hung out for the weekend, but the fact that I would have been on my own, you know, I do think it would have been a bad idea to go for the entire weekend this time round anyway. Also, this month I tried to challenge myself to not film on my phone as much as I could, but I have realised the last couple of months, and most of my captured moments from last month was done on my phone. I've realised that it's actually much easier and I feel much more comfortable with filming things in public if I'm filming on my phone, because I can just hold my phone out and people won't necessarily know that I'm filming anything. But if I had my camera out, obviously people would know if I'm filming stuff. So yeah, when I've been out and about, more often now I've been using my phone, because then I can secretly film stuff and not have to be worried about people judging me about filming and all that stuff. Say goodbye, kitty. Give us a kiss. Give him a kiss. Give him a kiss. Nope, she don't want to. I think she's a bit more shy than Elena's cats, who kiss her camera all the time. Anyway, see you next when I see you next.
Oh.
Oh.
It's going to go in his ear if it drips now.
Hey. Oh, this camera is so great focusing on the cage and not the actual creature. Hello.
Hello, do you want to come home?
Oh, hello. He's friendly little dude. Have a little run, yeah.
Hello, my mate, G-Pigs.
G-Pigs?
They're G-Pigs.
Okay. Oh.
Chill it out.
This is so cute. I like rabbits. I'm a sucker for the floppy-eared rabbits. Bloody hell, look at the size of you.
Hello, I have massive eyes. Do you think these ones want some food? Me. Eat my fingers. Oh, look at him.
Did you know what?
Ow.
Oh my god, hats for rabbits. That is
incredible. If you can get a rabbit to wear that,
you'll be lucky.